Hey guys, it's Alicia. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you've all had a great week. So in today's video, I am doing this super easy makeup look under 20 minutes. So this is Billy from Saw. Everyone will know who this character is, especially if you're a horror movie fiend. It's probably one of my favorite horror movies, the Saw franchise, even though it is pretty gory, and when I watch it now I'm like, whoa, how did I even watch that back in the day? But everyone knows this character, so I thought I would do an easy version of this look for you guys. I have done a Billy mixed with a Joker look before in the past, but that was very complex, that look, so I thought why not do something super easy that you can do under 20 minutes. The hardest part of this look is probably the ombre lip. It's still pretty simple for me. Some people might find it a little bit tricky if you've never done one before. It's just about fading colors really into one another and blending, but yeah, I think it looks really cool, really effective. You can also amp up this look and like put contour around your whole face. You could wear a real bow tie if you want to save time. You can put a red one on instead of painting one on. I didn't have a red bow tie, so I thought I'd paint it on, and I wanted to show you guys what you can do with paint to save you some money. So yeah, this is really cool. Also, if you want, you can put in huge big black contacts, which will make it look a bit more creepy. I put in these black contacts that don't cover the whole eyes though, but I still think it looks really cool. So yeah, takes under 20 minutes. I hope you guys are liking all these videos over the last few weeks that I've been doing. I've been doing super simple and easy Halloween makeup looks that's perfect for beginners, perfect for those of you that aren't really good at makeup or have never even touched face paint or makeup in your lives. And yeah, these are super easy. I thought I'd bring it back to the basics this year, and not do such complex challenging looks, because I know a lot of people can't do things like that. Some people can, and some people have taken lots of inspiration from my looks, and I'm very grateful to see all of the things you guys have recreated in the past. It's been amazing. If you do recreate any of these looks, then please tag me on Instagram or TikTok. I would love to see them, and I will reshare them on my stories and tag you guys, because I just love seeing all of the creations, and it's so cool to know that I was your inspiration for your costume or for your makeup look. So yeah, this is Billy, and I think it's cute. I think it is cute. It's very basic, very simple, but it is quite effective, and that's a cool thing about simple looks. They're still quite effective even though they don't take you long, and sometimes simple basic looks can actually be more of a standout than some crazy transformation, if you know what I mean. So yeah, hope you guys like this. By the way, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I upload every Monday at 8 AM New Zealand time, and YouTube shorts every day. So what characters you want to see next, or what other easy looks you want to see, let me know down below in the comments, because I will try and recreate them all. So yeah, hope you like this. If you want to know how to do this Billy makeup look from Saw, then just keep on watching. So we're starting with my bare face and this NYX Wednesday collection palette, which I think is amazing. I love the holographic hand on the front, and these eyeshadows are so pigmented. This was actually the first time using the palette, because I had lost it, so I couldn't feature it in my Wednesday collection half scale look that I did like 2 or 3 weeks ago. But finally got a chance to use it because I found it in my cupboard. And this black shade is so black and pigmented and beautiful, and I just pop that on my eye and blend it out with a blender brush. I'm going to do this some more, I think, like a black smoky eye, because I think it makes me look so badass and it makes my eyes look so blue. So I just do this on both eyes, just place with a flat brush the eyeshadow, and then kind of do it into like a V shape on the outer corners, and then blend it out, and then use a smaller brush to put this on the lower lash line as well. And then I take a black eyeliner. This one is from Huda Fode. It is probably the most blackest, most waterproof eyeliner I've ever tried. This one is so good. So yeah, Huda Fode, you did well with this one. So I'm putting this on the waterline of both of my eyes, and then I'm taking this chrome silver shimmery shade from the NYX Wednesday palette, which I thought was absolutely beautiful. So I put this on with my finger. I just tap it on in the center, and I show off camera. I do off camera like just my brush with the glitter as well, fixing it up in the inner corners and just blending it in a bit more. I add that to the lower lash line, and now I'm taking this kind of like taupe brown shade from the palette, and that same smaller brush, I first wipe off this brush on a cloth, and then I do the little cheeks. So Billy has like these round looking cheeks, so I create the shadow on both sides, and then I do the mouth area as well. You just want to do 2 lines straight down from the corners of your mouth down to your chin, and I just go over these lines a little bit just to blend them out and make them look a bit more seamless. I kind of wish I blended the lines even further down, like created more of a contour with it, but you guys can do that. Looking back at this, I would have definitely done that. Now I'm taking this MAC lipstick in Lady Danger. Look how beautifully red it is. It is so pigmented. And I literally just take the same black eyeshadow on that brush and use it as like a lip liner, you could say. So I do an ombre lip with this. So you just want to line around your lips and slightly overdraw it with this, and yeah, literally can do this with eyeshadow. I create an ombre look by blending this eyeshadow in the corners of my lip and blending it inwards and just going around that a few times. You can also do this with like black eyeliner if you want to, or like a liquid liner or black paint, but I just found it so much easier with eyeshadow. Now I'm taking the NYX Wednesday collection Thorn Pricked Lip Oil. This is one of my favorite lip oils. I use it every day for the gym as well, and just on top of lipsticks when I'm going out. Like, I love it so much. This Tag face paint palette is from Body Effects. You can use my code Alicia25 for some money off if you want to shop on there. They have a lot of cool stuff for Halloween on there, and I'm going to be forever a supporter of them. I've worked with them several times, and they've got so much cool stuff on there, very high quality. They also do lots of festival stuff and wigs and like prosthetics and all sorts on there. So I'm using this red face paint from the palette. It's a water activated paint, so you dip it in water to make it work. Don't make your brush too watery though. You want this to be pigmented. The less water you use, the better. And I'm just doing the little spirals on the cheek. And this is probably the hardest part, especially getting them even. Mine definitely weren't even, and I actually had to go off camera and touch up the little spiral with foundation in between it because it kind of smudged. So just, you can do that with a little spoolie if you do make a mistake. And now I'm literally drawing on a bow. If you do not know how to do this, it was too tricky, literally just put a red bow tie on. I did not have a red bow tie, so I'm doing this with the same face palette, and this is a more affordable alternative. You literally just draw it on. And if you don't have a face paint palette, you can literally use like a red lipstick. And I'm using that black to go around the bow. I can't believe how black this eyeshadow is. It is so pigmented and intense. It is quite hard to get a super pigmented black eyeshadow these days. Some brands obviously do it, but NYX never disappoints me. Like, they have amazing products. They are super high quality, affordable. If you're from worldwide, you can get it online, or you can get it in your like pharmacy, Target. I don't know exactly where you get it from overseas, but if you're from New Zealand, where I'm from, you can get it from Chemist Warehouse, which is amazing. I'm so glad they came back to New Zealand and are stocking back at Chemist Warehouse. So now I'm taking this black paint from this little palette and I'm going around the bow tie because I want this to look like it's standing out. And if I were to look at this look again, I kind of wish that I did like a collar as well, or like a little strap from side to my neck, like attaching the bow tie instead of just the bow tie on its own. But that is okay. We wanted this look to be as easy as possible. So I'm taking the black paint and I'm just doing some lines inside the bow tie, kind of like this, making it look realistic. And then I'm putting in some black contacts. You don't have to add in contacts at all. I actually kind of like this with my blue eyes because the black made my blue eyes stand out, but I want it to be a little bit more creepy, so I add in the black contacts. I'm just darkening up the lips with a black eyeliner. And if you want to take this to the next level, you could do like a little Joker lips, like lines extending out from the mouth, which I also wish I did. And here's the finished look. I really like it. Super easy and effective. Okay guys, so that was the end of the makeup tutorial. I hope you liked it and can see how easy this look is. All you need for this look is literally a black eyeshadow and red face paint. You don't even have to use a red lipstick for your lips. You can use the same red paint for the swirls, the lips and the bow. And yeah, just add some glitter on your eyes if you have some, but you don't even have to do that. So yeah, 3 makeup products, 4 at max if you want to add a gloss on. You don't have to add a gloss. If you have a gloss, that's 4 products, 5 products with the glitter. So yeah, super easy and it takes under 20 minutes. I really hope you like it. Anyway, if you hear a cutting machine, the neighbours decided to do some maintenance while I was filming on the Thursday. If you go to a Halloween party or if you get dressed up for any occasion, everyone will know what character you are. This is a pretty common, well-known character. Remember to leave me any recommendations down below or anything you want me to recreate. I would love to do that for you guys, and I hope you've been enjoying these more simple and basic looks. Remember to subscribe to my channel. I upload every Monday at 8 AM New Zealand time and YouTube shorts every day. I hope you guys have an amazing week, and I'll see you guys in my next week's video. Bye!